Hello everyone. Today, bringing you a brand new theme with an iOS 26 style. This theme features smooth, dynamic island transitions for everything from music controls to the flashlight, and even includes a standby mode that adapts to the colors of your wallpaper. The default wallpaper can switch between light and dark modes, and the app icons automatically change to match the theme's mode. The icon pack and dock bar also feature the liquid glass style of iOS 26, and the control center is fully compatible with Hyperos too. On top of that, the theme includes many beautiful wallpapers with zoom effects, depth effects, and more. Let's install it together. To install it on Xiaomi global devices, you'll need the backup files of these two themes. For devices running the original China ROM, you can search for the theme names and install them directly through the theme app. First, select this theme and apply it to your device. Then go back to the Customize theme screen. Choose Favorites tray and apply the second theme. This is to get the home screen clock widget. To customize the theme, double-tap the white bar. You can adjust many things like the clock style, zoom level, or widgets outside the lock screen. Choose the widgets with English labels to minimize Chinese text. On the theme with the right selection, you can create a lock screen that's simple yet visually appealing. Select each widget one by one to customize them to match your personal style. By default, the theme comes with 8 beautiful wallpapers, all featuring a depth effect on the lock screen. If you want to set a personal wallpaper on the lock screen, go back to the Customize Theme section in the Theme app. Follow the steps shown in the video to set the wallpaper, as the interface is in Chinese and might be a bit hard to navigate. Select the second option, then toggle the switch on and choose the initial wallpaper. Turn on the switch below as well. Then select the wallpaper with the background removed. At this point, the lock screen wallpaper has changed according to your selection. On the lock screen, if you want to enter standby mode, simply double-tap the clock. The style of the standby mode clock will be based on the dominant color of your current lock screen wallpaper. Change the text on the white bar of the lock screen. Here, enter any words you like. Change the home screen wallpaper. You can use any wallpaper you like. This won't remove the home screen clock widget. The system app's interface is also themed accordingly. All themes include one backup file in video description. You can use it to restore on your global device. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.